So what you saw in that clip was Dexter using Luminol. Now, when looking at the difference between the two tests, Luminol versus Kastle-Meyer, we're going to talk about some advantages and disadvantages to using one or the other. In terms of luminol, it can be diluted up to 300,000 times, whereas with the Kastle-Meyer, it can be diluted up to 1,000,000 times. So that Kastle-Meyer test is a little bit more sensitive than luminol. However, both of them require a very, very small amount of blood in order for a test to occur. Now, in terms of luminol, it's very, very easy to use. So Dexter using that spray bottle in order to cover a large area is exactly what police will do in a crime scene. And so the big problem with luminol is that it lasts less than a minute. So it requires you to make sure that you videotape or to photograph the image prior to it disappearing. Now, for the Kastle-Meyer test, it's used more as a negative test than a positive test. What that means is that you can say that there is no blood, but to say that there is blood is more difficult because there are certain other chemicals that could give you a false positive. So something even like ketchup could cause a false positive to occur with the Kastle-Meyer test. So that glow that you saw in that video clip was the luminol that was interacting with the blood's hemoglobin. On the right side, the Kastle-Meyer, the pink is a positive indication that there is that hemoglobin in that blood. Now again, that could be caused by a false positive, so it's more difficult for you to be able to definitively say that there's blood with that Kastle-Meyer test. Alrighty guys, so those are the two tests. If you have any questions on your study guide, please let me know. Thanks guys.